how to fix no sound issue on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can fix no sound issue for any iPhone with iOS 17. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in, guys. Well, so if you're getting the no sound issue on your iPhone or iPad, the very first thing that you have to do, make sure your iPhone is actually not in silent mode. If it is, go ahead and turn this option off. And once you've done that, the very next thing that you have to do, swipe down from the top and make sure your iPhone is actually not connected with any wireless device via Bluetooth. So turn off the Bluetooth right from here, and the very next thing that you have to do, you'll get to see the volume icon right here. You can actually drag it to the very up and see if that fixes your problem or not. And most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did all of this process but you're still having the problem, then this could be a software glitch. So in order to fix this problem, go ahead and force restart your iPhone. Well, so now to force restart your iPhone, simply go ahead and press and release the volume up, then press and release the volume down, then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you do that, your phone is going to take a restart, and then once you get back, hopefully your sound problem is going to be solved. So guys, I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out. If it is, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.